Today we're going to be learning about coin identification and coin sorting. Sometimes you get some coins and you want to know what they are and you want to know how much they're worth. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at some larger coins, then we're going to sort some smaller coins. So when I look over here, I've got several coin names. I have the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. Each of them has a different value and something different on the front of them. So when I start with my penny and I look at the face on the penny, this is a large version of it, you might notice that it's a copper color. We have President Abraham Lincoln on the front of it. On the back, sometimes we have this 1 cent symbol. Sometimes we might have the Lincoln Memorial on the back. That one is worth 1 cent. All pennies will say 1 cent. Our next one is our nickel. It has Thomas Jefferson on the front. We can look for words on this like 5 cents. On the front, sometimes we'll see Thomas Jefferson's face to the side. Sometimes we'll see Thomas Jefferson's face to the side like this. I like to look for the collar on Thomas Jefferson's neck. That helps me distinguish him from the other presidents. And on the back we have his house, Monticello. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Our next coin is silver as well, but it is our smallest coin. It's called a dime. On the back of our dime, we will see the words 1 dime. On the front, we're gonna see Franklin Delano Roosevelt. On the back, we have our torch, our olive branch over here, and our oak leaves here. Our dime is worth 10 cents. Our last coin is our bigger coin that we see commonly. It's a quarter. We'll see the words $quarter on it. We'll see George Washington on the front. I like to look for his ponytail and his long neck to help me out there. Our quarter is worth 25 cents. Sometimes we'll see quarters with an eagle on the back, and sometimes we'll see special state quarters. So I've got a couple coins over here I'm going to sort, looking at the pictures on the front and the presidents on the back. And we're going to try and figure out which coins we have. So first thing I can notice when I see a bunch of coins is I've got these copper colored ones, which are my pennies, and I see they've all got President Lincoln on the front or the words 1 cent on the back. So those are my easiest ones to sort. So I know I've got these 1 cent coins. Not all of them are shiny, but all of them do have that copper color and the word 1 cent on them. Next, I'm gonna see, oh man, these are really small coins. My smallest coins are dimes. So I'm gonna take all my dimes and I'm gonna put all my dimes in my dime section over here. Again, our dimes have our oak leaves and our torch and our olive branch on the back and President Roosevelt on the front. And my dimes are worth 10 cents. Then I noticed I have some similar colored and shaped coins, but something's a little bit different. These coins are a little bit smaller and fatter, and they've got Monticello on the back, so those are my nickels. This one is larger and has President Washington on the front, so those are my quarters. So I have nickels that are 5 cents, and my quarters were 25 cents. When you can sort your coins, it's easy to pay for the things you need and make sure you're using the appropriate amount of money.